Catskill Mountains, they're calling me. Oh, I can hear their call wherever I may be. On a busy day or a quiet night, I hear the call, I see the light that guides me to my Catskill Mountain home.
End pieces like this wouldn't have been much good for anything. There was a little cut-off saw that sat over there, and they would cut those pieces short enough to go into the wood stoves. Everybody had a wood stove on the farm. When I was growing up here, I had 2 great aunts, my grandfather, and a great-great aunt. They all cooked on wood stoves, and they all heated their kitchens with wood stoves. And one of the after-school chores was to fill up the wood boxes on the back porch. Fill it up with enough pieces, different kinds of wood, because they wanted some kinds of woods they would use for baking, other woods they wanted for a hot fire. They had kindling wood to start the fire in the morning, but it had to be topped off with the kindling on the top so that it was ready to go in the morning. There was a wood house down there that got filled up, but this is some of the wood would come off of this mill. Others would they would split up there, and they usually split their wood a year ahead of time, let it sit in piles out there so it was well aged, and then it would go down into the wood house where it might sit for as long as another year before it actually got used. So it was well dried wood by the time it reached there. What they're doing is setting the log up there, trying to get it. They've got one side cut on it, and one of the important things is to keep it square.
Okay, now pull up a little bit on your can. That's probably
1860s. What Bill is slamming down in there is called the dog. The dog bites into the wood and holds it in place.
By 1870s, instead of having this, it's a cot, they changed the cables. So that's how I know it's from like 18. Yeah. So racks of opinion.
Disabilities that resulted from this operation.
You know, fortunately, as far as we know, we don't have any records of anybody being hurt, and we've got diaries that go back to 1854. So, but yeah, it's easy to get hurt around here. But as a kid, I was brought up playing in this mill, and the first thing you're taught is stay away from the moving parts, stay away from things that can hurt you, and you learn to be safe. Yeah, you know.
Now, do you do sewing for people who bring it in, or
No, the last time we did sawing, we'll occasionally saw some boards for ourselves to put some of our own buildings together, and occasionally we do that for neighbors that need something.
Oh, okay.
When the round barn was rebuilt, a lot of the oak was sawed on here because it was a contemporaneous mill, even though we don't have any records of sawing for the Kelly brothers. Things you do when you look at a log is that they by eye try to figure out what the best way to cut it. They use lasers in those places now. The lasers just have some sort of formula that tells them.
The red line.
They're figuring out. Okay. He's going to start the engine, so if you want to see the engine get started.
I want to see that.
Anybody who wants to see the engine get started, come over this way.
Well, first comment, we're good.
Yeah,
Well, primes it, little gas.
It's loyal.